If you are still testing only after development is finished, your testing approach may already be outdated. Software testing is changing rapidly, and in this video, we will see why this shift matters for every tester. In the early days, most teams followed the waterfall model. Development happened first, and testing came at the very end. By the time defects were found, fixing them was expensive, slow, and sometimes risky for the project. Agile changed the way we build software. Development and testing became iterative, and feedback cycles became much faster. However, even in Agile, testing often still happens after development inside the sprint, but not early enough. When testing is delayed, defects travel forward. The later a defect is found, the more time, cost, and effort it takes to fix. This is the core problem modern teams face. This is where left shift testing comes in. Left shift testing means moving testing into the development phase so issues are caught while the code is still being written. So, how does left shift testing actually work in an agile project? In agile projects, left shift starts with manual testing. Testers review user stories early, ask questions, and validate requirements before development begins. Exploratory testing happens alongside development, not weeks later. Automation plays a very big role in left shift testing. Unit tests and API tests are run early in CI pipelines, giving fast feedback even before UI testing begins. Instead of waiting for full UI automation, fast feedback comes from smaller and earlier tests. Left shift testing helps teams release faster, reduce cost, and improve overall software quality. For testers, left shift is no longer optional. Those who adapt stay relevant. Those who don't risk falling behind. If you want to understand these changes in software testing more deeply and build clarity on how modern testers actually work, I share discussions and guidance in a Telegram group. The link is in the description. In the next video, we will look at how testers can practice left shift even without strong automation skills. Thanks for watching.